Hi everyone, welcome Jin's Cooking Corner. Today I'm gonna make Korean style cucumber kimchi. Okay, I have a ingredient, it's cucumber and chive, radish and onion. This is for inside for stuffing. And then 1 tablespoon sugar and 2 teaspoon garlic powder and 1 teaspoon onion powder and 1/8 ginger, then sea salt, fine sea salt. So first I'm gonna show you this cut cucumber. So I'm gonna cut the not all the way. You don't cut the all the way cut. So cut around here, stop here, and lengthwise. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Also, don't cut the end both sides because keep fresh longer. So don't cut the both sides. So this is bottom. So you cut the here, cut the here. And then this side, cut here. Okay, looks like this. Because I have the stuffing, put it in here like this. And I'm gonna show you another one. This is bottom, this is top. So cut here. And then cut here. Looks like this. Okay, all the cut like this, and then get cucumber soak with the salt. Salt here. I'm gonna show you. So open like this, and then salt put it in here. Okay, and then leave it about 1.5 hours. Okay, leave it there. And then next one is radish. Okay, and then this one is put it in the bowl and also soak with the salt. This is very thin, so around 35 minutes soak with the salt. Okay, flip over. Okay, so leave it there. Okay, after 40 minutes, and it looks like this. Rinse salt completely, and then drain all the water. So leave it like this and another 40 minutes, okay? Flip over. So getting flexible now. So another 15 minutes more, okay? So now I'm gonna chop all the pork cucumber stuffing here. I'm gonna show you. very very fine chop like this. I think maybe 1.5 onion. And then next one, chive. Also same. Okay, I'm gonna make for cucumber seasoning roux. So 1 cup water pour in here, and then 1 tablespoon flour. Okay. So now is all completely whisk and then heat on. And the first high heat. So bubble is coming, and then reduce half heat and then keep stirring. And okay, now done, and remove the heat. Remove heat and then cool down. Roux is cool down, and add first 1 tablespoon sugar, and then 2 teaspoon garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon onion powder, and 1/8 ginger, and mix well together. And then anchovy sauce, 2 different kind mixed together because more flavor bring here. Okay, this is 1.5 red pepper. Pour into the here. So evenly spread over the seasoning, okay? And then leave side here, and then I'm gonna put topping. Mix well together. Put it in the inside the cucumber. Okay. One side peeling and the other side. And then the other side. Today I made a Korean style cucumber kimchi today. So I'm gonna show you cut what it looks like inside. So okay. Okay. This is how to make cucumber kimchi. So you can enjoy it with pasta or cooked rice. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.